Hi there, this is Achal Soni. Welcome to this video. We'll see how to create the trend chart and the summary table in this video. Let's get started. To create the trend chart, I will bring in sales, and we want to show this at the level of quarter of order date. So let's double click on order date and change the level of granularity over here, quarter. All right, now let's copy paste the formatting from subcategory sales, since I don't want to show these grid lines. Or you can manually go and format this background as well. Just try the both the ways at your end. I'll just copy paste it from here. All right, now I don't want to show this title sales. Let's remove this, and quarter of order date as well. All right, let's change the color over here, format, and here. All right, I think this looks pretty good. All right. Okay, one tip over here is, if you are working on formatting, then suppose I have selected this axis and right clicked on it and gone to format. This will show me the formatting tools for this axis. Now again, when I want to change the formatting for this axis, I need not do the right click and format option selection again. I can simply click on this one, and the formatting tools will get updated for this axis. Just try this out. Now we want to show the trend for each of the categories. So let's bring category to color. All right, and I'm keeping the tooltips for now because there are three different categories, and if I enable the labels, then it will be too much of information for the users on this visualization, and it's quite confusing as well. So I'm not enabling labels, I'm just enabling the tooltip. One thing with labels that you can do is, you can always go and customize how do you want to display, where do you want to display your labels. So suppose if you just want to show minimum and maximum values, just select this option when you have your label enabled. So it will show you the minimum and maximum overall for this visualization. There are a few other options as well, but I'm disabling labels for now. All right, color combination we'll see later. Let's give a name to this sheet. Now let's create the summary table. Now we want to show the summary for state, city, category and subcategory. If I double click on this state field, then it will automatically plot a map for me, which I don't want, because the default data type for this field is geographic. So I'll just pull in over here. Now I want to show city. Let's bring in city. Now I can double click on city and bring it over here. Let's remove country. Now let's bring in category and subcategory. If you want to select multiple fields, then just press command or shift on your keyboard, and you can pull the fields wherever you want. So that's tip number 2 for this video. Now let's bring in measures. Now we want to show sales, profit, quantity and discount. One way of doing this is that you bring these fields separately. Let me show you over here. Sales, I don't want this in bar chart format, so I'll go to discrete. It should come here on rows. Sorry, it's hanging up a little bit. So sales, profit. Let's convert this to discrete again. Now the problem in doing this way, the table this way, is that you can't show totals and subtotals. The header will appear but the value won't be there. So you go to analysis and totals, add all subtotals. So it will show you the header but it won't show you the value, because this is a limitation in Tableau that with discrete fields you can't show the totals. So another way of doing this is, if you don't want to show the totals, then you can definitely bring up the fields like this. But generally, when we create a summary table in real-time projects, we do show the totals. So it totally depends upon your requirement. I'm showing you another way of doing this, wherein the totals also get enabled using measure names and measure values. So now just pay attention over here. In real time projects, we have multiple measure values, we have got multiple numerical fields that we want to show in tables like these. So but suppose you've got 10 measure fields, but you want to show only 6 out of those 10. So if you bring in measure names directly, it will list down all the measure values. Either you go and manually remove each of these, the ones that you don't want, or the method that I follow is, I bring in measure names on filters first, I do none, and I only select the ones which are required. So it automatically creates a filter on measure names, and when I bring in measure names into my visualization, it automatically shows me only those values, only those fields which are required. So let's reorder this. Let's bring sales before profit, sales, profit, quantity, and discount. Let's bring discount here and quantity at first place. All right, so we don't want tooltips again, so I'll disable this. Then profit and discount, we need to add dollar sign. So let's click on format, numbers, number custom. I don't need a decimal place for profit, prefix it with dollar. Alright, now I want to apply formatting changes on discount as well. I'll simply click on discount and see the formatting tool has got updated. This shows me for discount. I need this value to show me until 2 decimal places, and let's prefix this with a dollar sign. Alright. With totals, just remember that when you enable the subtotals, it will automatically compute the subtotals for all the dimensions that you have in your view. So it has enabled the subtotals for category, for city, and for state. So I don't want to display this for all of these. I just want to display this for category. I'll go to city and uncheck the subtotals. All right. So yes, we are good with this table now. Try all these different methods of creating the charts and tables. I'll see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please do it and share it across. Thank you.